Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry means graph. We are just going it on a locate the points on graph. So we have to know about the properly about geometry concept. Mean to say, firstly, what is this? This is called Cartesian plane. Cartesian planes, it's a x-axis and it's a y-axis. And on the Cartesian plane, in this side, right hand side, it is the positive and left hand side negative. Same upside, it's a positive and downside, it's a negative. And in the center, where these two axes, x-axis and y-axis meet, that are called origin, O. And here the points are 0, 0. It mean origin पे आपके पास x की वैल्यू भी 0 होगी और y की वैल्यू भी 0 होगी, ठीक है. And then as you know, as you see कि this is going to divide in 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 parts are called quadrant. These are called quadrant. So it's called quadrant. It's a first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. It's going to be anti-clockwise like this, ठीक है. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. सो आप इसको अपनी मर्जी से चेंज नहीं कर सकते, मतलब फर्स्ट सेकंड, नो, इट्स गोइंग टू फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, like this. It's a quadrant. And now as you know that we are just going to locate it, the points here. So x and y, these are we have to locate it. X value called abscissa and y value called ordinate. And whenever we are just arranged in a bracket like this, pair order, mean to say x, y, always x on the first place and y always on the second place, then it's called coordinate. It's called coordinate. So x value abscissa, y value ordinate and pair order, that is called coordinate, and we have to locate it on a Cartesian plane. So whenever we are locating in a Cartesian plane, we have to know कि in which quadrant we have to locate it, कौन से quadrant में जाएगा point. So like I just going to write some values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. As we need we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. -1, -2, -3, -4, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, so on. ठीक है. Because it's a negative, so negative sign. It's also negative, it's a negative sign. It's a positive, so positive. It's also positive, so it's also positive. Like this we have to locate it. Now as you can see, here is x value positive, y also positive. It means x positive, y positive. Here x negative, y positive. Here x negative, y negative. And in this one x positive, y negative. So we have to learn about that कि कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में कौन सी वैल्यू आएगी. So just easy. In this one both sign are positive. In this one x negative, y positive. Both are negative, third one, and the fourth one x positive, y negative. So like this we can locate the quadrants in the graph easily and without any mistake. So just for example we can do like there is a point 2, -4. So 2, -4, 2, x is positive, y is negative, x positive 2, y negative -4, this one. So you have to just like that. So where these two points are meet, that is the point of the location. जहाँ पे ये दोनों मीट कर गए वहाँ पे आपका पॉइंट ऑफ लोकेशन हो जाएगा. Like one more example, there is -2, 3. सो -2 x वैल्यू हमेशा याद रखना है कि पहली वैल्यू x और दूसरी y. सो x -2 y3. सो -2 y3 this one. So just increase from 2 and y from here and where these two met, that are the point of location. जहाँ पे ये दोनों मीट करके that is the point of location. So I hope you all are learn properly about the coordinate geometry. जो भी आपके डाउट्स थे कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री की रिगार्डिंग वो आपके सॉल्व हुए होंगे. ठीक है. सो लाइक माय वीडियो and press like button and subscribe my channel.